Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here in Orlando to show you this townhome community. It's beautiful. They have a 3-bed, 2.5 bath home here behind me. The prices are great. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath home. It's 1,379 square feet. There's a nice closet here under the stairs. And then a half bath. Opening up to your family room. You have your dining area and your kitchen. So if you like maintenance-free lifestyle, townhome is the way to go. There's a community pool, cabana, playground. You have your pantry. Out here you have a nice screened-in patio. I'll go ahead and take you upstairs. This is a gated community. And this townhome is a 2-story. You get this loft upstairs. You have your laundry area. This is the master bedroom. And a nice walk-in closet with a window. Bathroom. The first floor is all tile. You have some carpet in the bedrooms upstairs and in the loft. Nice closet here outside of another full-size bathroom. Your tub and shower. And then the second and third bedroom. Closet. This townhome is $253,810. It's a great price for 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it does have a 1-car garage. So if you're interested, give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes, and my phone number is 407-616-6271. Have a good day.